In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import customer list to Shopify. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin so you are at your store dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open the Customers section. This is where Shopify stores all customer profiles, including contact details and any notes or tags you may use later. Next, look for the Import option on the Customers page and select it. On the Import screen, you will see a link that says Download a sample CSV template. Go ahead and download that template. This sample file is important because it shows you the exact column names and formatting Shopify expects. Using the template helps prevent upload errors and saves you time during the import. Now open the CSV template in a spreadsheet program and start placing your customer information into the correct columns. As you do this, keep one key point in mind. The email column is the only required field. Shopify uses the email address as the unique identifier for each customer. That means it helps Shopify recognize an existing customer and avoid creating duplicates during the import. If you leave email blank for a row, that customer record will not be valid for the import, so be sure every customer you want to bring in has an email address entered correctly. When you are finished filling out your customer list, it is time to save the file in the right format. Make sure you save it as a CSV, specifically in comma-delimited format. This is important because it reduces issues with special characters, such as accents and symbols, that can otherwise cause the file to break or import incorrectly. If your spreadsheet program gives you multiple CSV options, choose the one that clearly indicates comma-separated values. Before you upload, check the file size. Shopify requires the import file to be under 15 megabytes. If your customer list is larger than that, split it into multiple smaller CSV files and import them one at a time. This keeps the process smooth and helps you isolate issues if a specific file has a formatting problem. Once your CSV is prepared, you are ready to return to the customer's import screen and use that file for your import. And that is all there is to it.